Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, November 12th. Welcome to the live trading room of Tim the Trader. Glad you're here. Here are yesterday's trades. Just two trades yesterday, but plus 41 for yesterday. Had that huge um, that huge sell-off that happened right off about the fourth or fifth minute of the market that just kept going and going and going. Could have stayed in that trade much longer. And then, of course, we caught the reversal here. Could have stayed in that trade longer as well. But we were trying to stay in these trades longer. But anyway, that with the two trades from yesterday and some nice tradable moments. Had a nice sell off happen later in the day. And again, a very nice reversal that happened. Triple Q closed at 513.95, 513.95. And it's sitting at 513.47, so no gap play this morning. Did have the gap, that nice gap play yesterday that did work out nicely. Let me move this up a little bit. Let's head over to the option chain. We have 838,000 traded on the underlying, and we are trading November. Today is the 12th, so November 13th, tomorrow's expiration. We'll start at or near the money. 514, excuse me, 513 on the call side, 514 on the put side. And what other news do I have? I think that's it. So let's go ahead and say good morning to our good friend, Mr. Keith Frampton, who just turned on his microphone. Good morning, Keith.
Good morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, not a real strong day yesterday, but hey, it was a good positive day, and we'll take those.
Absolutely.
There were a couple reports out this morning. Nothing really changed things much. There's going to be a number of Fed members speaking today. One is going to be speaking at 10 o'clock. One is speaking at, what was that, 10:15. One at 1 o'clock and one at 4 o'clock. That's after the market or at the market close. There are also going to be bond auctions at 10:30. That seems like a strange time.
That is a strange time, isn't it?
What are we here? I'm on it changed me to the wrong time zone here. Yeah, I'll change that in a minute. No, it should be 11:30 as the bond auction. And then also there's a loan officer survey which can move the market, and that'll be at I think that's 2 o'clock once I correct my time here. Um, anyway, so a number of things going on today, and we'll watch the market and stay tuned on that.
There we go. There it is. There's the morning report brought to you by Keith. And just a reminder that you want to have 20 cents between each of your hash marks here on the right side of each of your charts so that we're looking at the same size candles from day to day relative. And if I can get a glimpse on the markets, not yet. I believe we're up. Yeah, we'll get those in a minute. Let's see. Let me log into that. Bring in a few more people. There we go. Okay, we're coming up on 30 seconds away from market start. Let's make it a good day. There's 30 seconds. All right. Coming up on 15. There's 15. All right, stand by, everybody. We're going to go here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're in. Nope, not playing music. Thank you. Get rid of that. Okay. Get my charts here in view. Not a well. Market maker is trying to find some direction here in the first minute. Starting the second minute. The volume the first minute we just went over 1 million in the pre-market, and let's see. Me. Seven, 6, 2, 1. Scott in. Okay, so the Dow is up 47, Nas is down 19, S&P is flat at half a point. So we're moving down, heading toward VWAP here. So on the put side, I'll be at the 515 on the put side, and probably the 512 on the call side. So mixed markets, mixed broader markets this morning, but not huge numbers. Pretty flat, in fact. So continuing down. So going to the 515 on the put side.
I'll do the 514.
Okay. Just stand by, everybody. Let's let this develop a little bit more. Bit of a reversal here. We'll see if it price overcomes that back through VWAP. This is why we wait a few minutes in the very beginning.
Not a ton of volume on those last few candles.
No, not at all. Bit right there. So big reversal there. Market maker just ran out of traders willing to sell for less. Cliff asks, has everyone got volume? Thanks. I think so.
Yeah, I can hear you all right. I can hear me.
And I can hear you.
All right.
I can hear you, all of you.
Okay. Thank you, Ashim.
I'm looking at the 513 on the call side.
Yeah, and 512 for me on the call side.
Go ahead and try to get in on this.
All right, stand by on the 512. I'm going to go ahead and get in. There we go. And Filled at 356.
I got in at 288.
Okay.
And I just took profit.
All right, and I'm going to go ahead and take profit here at 385. So 29 cents. 356 to 385.
Oh, yeah.
Price stalling a bit here.
And I just didn't report, but I got in at 288, out at 321 for 33 cents.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Very good first trade.
Yes, indeed.
Now we may wait for the reversal on this. Really expecting this to go a bit higher. And it may still, but it's looking like it's running out of steam here. All right, I'm going to head over to the put side to the 515.
Yeah, I'll be looking at the 515 also.
MACD, Heikenausi MACD is curling over. Did get a cross on our 5-minute MACD.
I'm going to put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5-minute candle.
Sounds like a good thing to do.
It's actually not a great agreement, but actually is a true demand zone too.
Yeah, we'll treat it as such.
Markets, we have the Dow up 94, NASDAQ's up 16 and 3/4, and S&P up 6, and have 2.1 million underlying traded on the Qs.
Okay. All right. Still at the 515 on the put side. Stand by.
And make sure it's not a crazy Ivan. Plus, I'd like to see it get past VWAP.
Yeah. Yep. Agreed. Of course, it's got to get through the demand zone first.
So
And look how
true.
it's turning around right at the price level.
Yeah.
Come on down. Come on down. Let's break through that.
I'd settle if it went bounced off that and went up too.
Mm-hmm.
Because we're getting down mid-range on VWAP or on the MACD on the Heiken-Aussie chart. So it could go either way, just go some way.
Yeah, exactly. Just go somewhere.
Boy, not much volume here in the last 6 minutes or so,
No.
8 minutes. Did you color that demand zone in a black hole color or something?
Yeah, might as well be.
Just don't want to get away from it.
Come on. Let's get a nice trend started here. This drop. So what I'd like to see is it get below VWAP and continue. So we can get into a put trade here. Doesn't quite want to drop.
No, does not.
Of course, a lot of that is just the low volume that we have right now. Can't really, market maker can't really move price all that much with little takers. Not many traders. Most traders sitting on the side here, not jumping in yet.
And we'll do the same.
Mm-hmm.
Got a narrow range there between yesterday's close, the demand zone, and the VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
It's bouncing in that middle there. All right. Well, we're waiting for your observation on percentages that 80% of the time it's going to continue on through the messy middle, going down.
Yep. I'm going to put in a supply zone here.
Oh yeah.
On the top here, we do have a fairly close agreement. So let's go ahead and mark that.
Traffic jam there. Supply zone, demand zone, yesterday's close, and VWAP.
Yeah. Short little range. Let's turn this red. More HSV. 60. Yeah, we'll turn the price level red. Wow, small range, very small range so far. We've got both our 1 minute and 5 minute MACDs in the call bias position. So I'm going to go back over to the call side, over to the 513 on the call side.
I'll do the 514. I'm going to go ahead and try to get in on this.
All right, stand by in the 513.
No. 242 I got in on that.
Okay. I'm not in yet. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger on this. And in at 248.
Come on, you're not supposed to be going that way. Come on, get back up there. Come on, get on up there.
Might just be a crazy Ivan we had.
Oh, come on, keep going on up. Up, 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 up. There we go. Come on. There we go. Come on, get on up there. Here we go. We've got about 3 minutes to the pop.
Okay.
Come on, get on up. I'm going to try to get 20 cents on this.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, get on up. A little bit more. Two minutes to the pop. Come on, get on up there.
That's not the right direction.
No, it isn't. Come on, turkey, get back up there. Twenty seconds to the pop.
Okay. See if the pop helps us, if it happens.
Pop. Come on, pop it up. Pop it up. That's not popping it up. 'Broader markets, the Dow's actually down 17 now. NASDAQ's up 31. S&P's up 3.5. 3.2 million underlying traded so far. Come on, get back up there. Come on, get on up there.
Yeah, keep talking to it. That seems to help.
I was listening to you better yesterday than me. Come on, man. Bounce off VWAP and get back up there.
Yeah. All right. About to stop out. And stomping out. And stopped out. I am going to go over to the put side, to the 515 on the put side, and I'm going to go ahead and enter this. And it's passing me by.
You can move that supply zone up too.
Mm-hmm. So all the broader markets are now negative. Dow's down 43, Nas down almost 2, S&P down 3.19. Going back to the put side, to the 515 on the put side.
Did you enter?
No, not yet. Ashim. Keith, are you still in that put?
No, I'm in the call. I'm still in
I mean the
call.
call. I'm sorry.
Yeah. That's it. Keep going back up there.
All right, going back to the call side then, to the 512 on the call side.
We all jacked up here. What the hell they doing? Let me see. Good morning, Tim.
Good morning.
Somebody's in my computer messing with me. This is not going the way I want it to go.
I know. I know. Okay, I'm entering back into the call trade.
514, 512.
512. Yes,
So did you enter?
I did. In at 308.
All right, keep going. Keep going.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Okay, let's go ahead and take profit here. There we go. 347, 308 to 347.
What were those numbers again?
308 to 347.
308. Yeah, great.
Yeah. 305 to 346.
All right.
Covered at least.
Yeah.
previous lows.
Yeah, it puts us back in positive territory.
Yeah.
Come on, get up through the supply zone. That's not getting up through the supply zone.
Okay, we're going to move the demand zone down. And through VWAP again.
Come on, crazy Ivan move. Get back up there. Come on, get back up there. Only 4.1 million underlying traded so far, so fairly slow day.
Yeah, no kidding.
I think one of the other guys is, yeah, speaking now.
Okay. Got the Dow down by 80, Nas up by 13, almost 14. S&P is down by 1.63. S&P pretty flat today.
Come on, get on up there.
Went through a period of pretty low volume again.
Come on, get back up there.
Right, selling off here a little bit.
All right, enough games. Get back up there.
Excuse me. Getting stuck at VWAP.
Yeah, it's been doing a lot of that today.
Mhm.
think the market makers are out to lunch today.
Yeah, they're at a bigwig market or fat cat market making luncheon.
There we go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Here we go. Come on, keep going up. Whopping 4.5 million underlying traded on the Qs.
I know,
Just about an hour into the market. Wow.
just killing it. Got Dow down by 96, Nas up by 2.79, S&P down by 4.
Trying to push it up.
There you go.
Here we go. Come on, get on up there. Both the Fibonacci MACD and the 5-minute MACD have crossed back over going up.
Mm-hmm.
No, no, no. Keep going up. Come on.
Just stuck in a fairly tight little range here, going between the demand zone and other zone. And to see if we're beginning to develop a bit of a wave pattern here, something we can trade on.
Come on, wave up a little first though. Gee, easy. Hmm.
Come on up.
Come on, you can do it. There we go. Come on. Keep pushing up. on, get back up there.
So we're an hour in. We've just got 4,800,000 in on the underlying. Pretty slow. Broader markets are all negative. No, Nasdaq's up by 11. Dow is down by 121. S&P down by 6. Nas up by 11 and a half.
Tim, are you in any trades right now?
No. Nope, last trade was a call trade. Just waiting for this to go somewhere. Just stuck in this little range.
I made an intermediate zone where the last supply zone was, and it's just having a hard time getting above that.
Mm-hmm.
Get on up there.
Well, we've been slowly rising toward the call side since 10 o'clock. The trend keeps going. It should be okay.
Yeah. Just be a little faster would be my preference.
Yeah.
As soon as I would get out of this, it's going to pop up.
Yeah. Yeah, guaranteed.
There we go. Come on, get on up there. There we go. above that supply zone now.
Doji.
Yeah. Come on, ignore the doji. Come on, turkey.
Back down to VWAP. Should bounce off of VWAP, head right back up.
It's tried a few times to get above that supply zone, but just doesn't want to give it up yet.
Yeah. Just staying between VWAP and the supply zone. Have been for a while. That's not the direction.
No, no, not at all. Oh, come on, get up there.
We got 5,250,000 traded on the underlying. Got a bit of a sell-off going here. Dow is down 144. NAS is just up by 1.48. S&P's down by 9. Just no real direction to the market, or at least QQQ.
And getting a little bit more volume than the last three candles.
Yeah.
All right. That's the direction.
Yeah, the 1045 volume looks like turnaround volume continuing through this minute.
That's it. Get on up there.
Hmm.
Just don't want to continue things today.
No. Just staying near VWAP. So just to let you all know, the charts are going to come down right after we finish. I've got some one-on-ones that need to happen right after we get off of the call this morning. So charts will be going down right after we finish up this morning. Sorry to say.
Sorry, Tim, I missed it. Why are the charts coming down?
Um, they're going to come down shortly after we finish up this morning. I have some one-on-one meetings that I have to do, so I'm going to need the charts.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
And just a reminder, tomorrow we have 2 sessions. We will come back at 3 o'clock. We're going to do another lesson on volume price analysis at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And then we'll trade the rest of the hour. So I've got 3 trades in this morning. One stopped out, but still up 17.
Keith, are you still holding that?
I am.
It's playing game with you. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if it gets back up to the supply zone area, I may at least close half of my contracts, even though I'm not break even. Just
If it gets
doesn't
back up to where? VWAP?
the supply zone.
Oh, supply zone. Gotcha. Guys, I'm going to go back to the put side to the 515 on the put side. We've broken through the demand zone. Actually, let's make it the 514. And big reversal. This put wants to go, but it keeps retracting. Yeah, we'll just continue to keep an eye on it.